Do you know you can make money without going through tough times? I'm here to show you 10 legit ways you can make money and other passive income online. And we're starting right now. What's going on? My name is Junior Safa with Go for Growth Media. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your business, build your business influence, increase your revenue rates, and other YouTube related stuff, then consider subscribing so you don't miss out on anything. So here are 10 areas you can make some passive or active income in cash. Majority you can make hundreds or 200 or much more dollars a day. But here is a catchy thing. If you are on a permanent job or a full-time job, you don't need to let go your job for this passive or active income. You can still make money during your free times on the internet. Remember, there are two distinct ways you can make money online, and they are either by active income, which is that income you get on your normal job. You get paid for the job you actually do. In the absence of you doing the job, you don't get money. And you have the passive income, where the passive income is becoming one of the most popular means of earning money. With passive income, you put in a form of excellent work. Once the excellent work is done, the money in reality will keep coming in without you doing any other work. Here are 10 legitimate websites you can make either your active income or passive income. These websites are: 1. Upwork.com. This form of website encourages freelancer. With Upwork.com, you are making a kind of active income, in the sense that businesses and services are interested in outsourcing their functions, such as video editing, article writing, app development, coding, and other tons of jobs you can perform with Upwork.com. Unfortunately, it has a very low entry barrier. So therefore, if you are good at some of these functions I've highlighted, like that of graphic designs, video editing, article writing, codings, app development, etc., then Upwork.com is the right place for you. Number 2 website you can make money is YouTube. Unless and until now, a lot of people don't know whether you can make money on YouTube or not. So therefore, if you are considering making money on YouTube, then it is time for you to start right now. And how you start is by creating your YouTube channel, and then you upload consistently until you meet the threshold of YouTube. You have to be aware of the rules surrounding YouTube, which says that for you to get monetized, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. So if you meet that threshold, YouTube will monetize your channel. And you also need subscribers or people who are interested in watching your videos or your content. As your watch hours increase, so your income increase. With YouTube, you can make from $1 to $1,000 to $10,000, $100,000, as the case may be. If only you have people who are interested in watching your videos and subscribing to your channel, you can make these incomes. There are also other income streams within YouTube. You can earn an income through affiliates, marketing, and even your AdSense revenue. If you've met the threshold, businesses will place adverts in your video with a set amount that is to be paid to you by YouTube. So if your content is a long one, you can either place 1, 2, 3 at the beginning of your video, at the middle, and the end of your video. So at the end of the period, say most often the 21st of every month, you'll be getting your income at an easy way. They can either pay it directly into your account or your PayPal account, depending on the account you supply for your payment to be done. The other source of income you can make within YouTube is paid sponsorship. But this requires you to have at least 10,000 subscribers. So once you have that number of subscribers, usually you can also add your revenue base from affiliate, AdSense, the YouTube itself, your paid sponsorship. So accumulating all those streams, you are in a position to get a huge sum of money at the end of the day from YouTube. So you can make a whole lot of income from YouTube if only you are committed, you are consistent, and you know what you are doing. You need to have a specific niche that you should be uploading on a daily basis or on a weekly basis as per your own schedule, so you can make money from it. The third one is Amazon. From its traditional objectives of selling books to make money, Amazon has extended to a point that they can sell anything now on Amazon. One can make a whole lot of money from Amazon on a daily basis at the comfort of your home. Basically, there are 3 ways you can make money on Amazon, and this is either by Amazon MTalks, which is like Upwork.com, where you can upload and make money through either audio editing, voiceover, writing reviews, etc., etc. You can make that form of income with Amazon MTalks, and you have the chance of making as much as $20 to $50 per hour. And this form of income is more or less an active income. And the 2 on Amazon is Amazon Kindle Publishing. We call it sometimes AKP. With this Amazon Kindle Publishing, you as a content creator, you develop your content into ebooks and sell it on Amazon. Here you can make money every time. Once your books are being sent on Amazon and there are interested people buying your books on Amazon, you can make money. You also have the number 3 from Amazon, which is the Amazon Associate. This is another way of earning money through passive income. All you need to do with Amazon Associate is for you to sign up, which is a free program. You sign up to the program on a free basis. Then you can get things from Amazon that you will start selling. Here Amazon will give you a special link, and every time someone or an individual buy from your website or your link, Amazon will give you a commission. We have a commission for the sales of that product. So with that, if you can have a frequent number of sales, or if your sales increase, the more your sales, the more your commission, which is almost like 5 to 10% of the sales, the total sales. So imagine if you have a high volume of sales and you have 10% commission on that sales. Don't you think you are making a huge sum of money? Comment on the link below, let me know. This amount, they can either pay you by a gift card, or they can wire the amount to your account. If you have PayPal, they can also pay your commission or your income there, depending on the means you want them to pay your money. It can either be by Western Union and all that. The number 4 website you can make money is Clickbank. There is no bigger rush online than landing your first Clickbank sales. It becomes awesome. You feel like you are one of the best. Clickbank is a marketplace for product creators and affiliates to make money online by selling their products and services online for a specific amount. With Clickbank, the commission is so high, which is almost around 75% higher than those you can earn from Amazon. That enables you to be earning money from the comfort of your home, which is very good for an individual. The number 5 is Flippa.com. This is the marketplace that is set for buying and selling of online businesses. These websites always attract large numbers of audience. You can make money with Flippa.com based on your commitment and consistency. If you are good at making apps and other stuff, then Flippa.com is the right place for you. So you have to move on with it and make your money easily at the comfort of your home. Number 5, which is Shortstop.com. This is a platform you can sell and buy digital stuff as well, such as video clips and music. You can buy them from this point. So if people are buying it from them, if you know you have an idea of digital marketing or music, you can upload it on Shortstop.com and sell it there. Then you make a whole lot of money on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, as the case may be. But Shortstop.com is sometimes mainly created for freelancers. If you are someone interested in photography and that you have the idea of taking amazing photos, and then you can do that, then upload it to Shortstop.com. So each time someone buys your photo, you get income from that photos uploaded. So Shortstop.com is an amazing website. You can earn money and just by uploading nice photographs and other stuff on the internet. Fiverr is a popular website. You can earn money easily. It is a freelance website where you can outsource as long as it is legitimate, it is legal. You can outsource your function for as low as $5, and then that money will be yours. There are many different ways to make money on Fiverr.com. You have different ways you can make money. So give Fiverr.com a try and see how best your earnings will develop, your income streams will increase. You can earn money either by animation, logo designs, social media design, etc, etc. And finally, you have dropshipping website. With dropshipping, you are selling someone else's products for a commission. You are actually not actively engaged in the production of the products. Here you are serving as a third party. You can sell someone else's products and make commission from it. So people sometimes tend to either have a store or a shop, and once someone needs a particular product, they can order from the producer and then sell the product on behalf of the producer at a cost. Then they will in turn pay the actual amount to the producer and get their commission from the sales. So dropshipping is another means you can earn money and increase your revenue base. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel.